we begin. I'd say we are a little bit more than halfway up. It's really not that bad. Stairs are a bit narrow, but it's not that bad. Monkey hanging out right here on the stairs. And we are almost done. We are maybe 3-4 flights away. Needless to say, this is a tall cave. I'm now starting to sweat. The humidity is definitely trapped in here. I'm also wearing long pants, as that seemed to have been the attire. However, many people made it without. This mountain is a temple, which I will not be entering, but you walk in there and it's the temple in the caves. And I believe there's another one up ahead on that hill or above these steps. We'll continue on. Right now, we're only past the first section, I guess. I'm narrating this horribly because I'm looking around. Here we are in the middle of the mountain, or I guess the cave, or whatever you want to call it. We went through the cave to get here, and now, it's open to the ceiling. Whatever the geographical term for this is. There's a chicken or a rooster. I don't even know what that is. I think it's a rooster. Anyways, just walking freely. And we'll see what else there is here, but it looks like this is the end. So after walking all that, there is a large donation box. Anyway, I'm getting rained on by the wet trees above, plus I'm sweating. Therefore, I think we'll make our departure from here, but at a slower pace, because right now my head is soaked from this water falling on me.